show you how to make a woodcraft like this for Christmas. The items that you need for this project are a piece of wood like this, the round wood, and some sphagnum moss, some decoration items like, for example, a little pine, berries, and some dried flowers like this, and this type of wire, drill, jute thread, ruler, also you need and some glue, sticky tape, scissors, and some special pins used for succulents. First of all, you need to mark the center of this wood, about 2.5 centimeters apart from center around here, and 2.5 centimeters the other side from center here. It's 3 centimeters from the center from this direction. That's gonna be here. So you need to drill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. Also, you need to drill another point for hanging like this. Now we need to pass this wire through these holes, but before starting this job, we apply some sticky tape on the top of the wire to make it easy our job like this. Okay, and then we pass through from this hole and pull out, and then pass through the other hole, pull out.